of you students. A warm welcome to our online classes. Okay, today I will sing that you have to listen. Okay.
Okay.
I went to the market. I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Do you know what I bought? I bought some sweet lime. That's you know. I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Do you know what I bought? I bought some pomegranate. That's you know. I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Do you know what I bought? I bought some banana. That's you know. I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Do you know what I bought? I bought some apples. That's you know. I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Do you know what I bought? I bought some oranges. That's you know. I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Do you know what I bought? I bought papaya. That's you know. I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Do you know what I bought? I bought big watermelon. That's you know. I went to the market. La 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 la. Yes, you like this poem?
Yes.
Yes. What we have seen in this poem? What
Fruits.
you have
Fruits.
Okay, tell me the fruit's name.
Banana, apple, mango, watermelon, orange, apple, pineapple, orange, custard apple,
Yes.
pomegranate,
Very nice.
papaya, grapes.
Do you know from where we get this fruit? Do you know?
Market.
Okay, which market? From which market we can get this?
Fruit market.
Fruit market. Okay.
Fruit market.
Yes, yes. Well done, well done. Okay, we will get fruits from the fruit market. But in fruit market, where it comes from, in last lesson, kitchen garden, we have seen that. Yes, we have to plant one tree, okay, with the help of the seeds. Okay, when you put the seeds and soil and water,
vegetable.
yes. So then you will get the fruits, okay? And who is our friend who grow fruits for us? Who is that person? Can you tell me the name? Who is that person who grows crops, fruits, vegetables for us?
Fruit.
The person who grow crops. Farmer. In Marathi lesson you have seen na how farmer grows. Yes. So farmer is our friend and he grows all these vegetables and fruits. Okay. So today we will see fruit processing topic. Today's our topic is fruit processing.
Fruit processing.
In your Play, Do and Learn book, there is one topic that is fruit processing. Okay, so we will see that how it is. Okay, so I will show you one picture and you have to observe that picture and you have to give me answer. You all are ready for that? Give me thumbs up. Yes. So look at this picture carefully. Okay. Okay, now look at this picture. Observe this picture carefully.
Fruits.
Yes. And
Girl and boys.
girl and boy. And
Mother.
mother and
बेचने वाले को क्या बोलते हैं? Fruitman.
yes. What else? What else you can see?
Shopkeeper.
Yes, shopkeeper. Okay, very nice. Next.
Fruits.
Fruits. Yes, fruits is done. Fruits. Which fruits are there?
Grapes. Mango. Banana.
Yes.
Orange.
Yes.
Watermelon. Cucumber.
Yes.
Cucumber.
Okay, now tell me, the person who sells the fruits, what you will call?
Shopkeeper.
Shopkeeper. What is the another name? What is the another name of that shopkeeper?
Fruitman.
Fruit seller. What we say? Fruit seller. Okay? Fruit seller, because he sells the fruit. Okay? Or we can say fruit vendor. What we can say? Fruit vendor.
Fruit vendor.
Huh. And shopkeeper means what you know? What is shopkeeper? Meaning of shopkeeper?
Dukan.
The owner of the shop. The owner of the shop who sells the products. Okay? Okay, when you go in the market with your mother, yes?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Then what you say to the shopkeeper? What you will say?
Fruits.
You say only fruits. If you want to buy the fruits, what you will say? If you want to buy the fruits, what you will say to uncle? You will say that, na, uncle, what is the price of this apple? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. And what you will give to uncle?
Money. Money.
Money. Okay, very good. When you give money to the uncle, okay, shopkeeper or the fruit vendor, then he will give you the fruits. Okay. Okay, now in which machine he weighed the fruits? What you can see, one thing you have not told to me. It was missing. See, one machine is there. Okay, that is the weighting machine. In that machine, you can weight the vegetables. Some vegetables we can weight by this. We can measure the weight of that vegetables. Okay, and if you want banana, so what you will tell? Give me 1 dozen banana. Yes. So uncle will give you 12 bananas. Okay. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, now tell me some big fruits. Some big fruits you can see.
Banana, grapes, watermelon.
Yes, big one, big one.
Watermelon.
Watermelon and muskmelon. Okay.
Papaya.
So, yes. Yes, you have to arrange all the fruits and then you can sell in your shop. Okay. So nowadays you are going in the market.
Yes.
You are going in the market.
Father.
Father is going. So what precaution you have to take?
Fruits.
Precaution, precaution. Okay, when you go out, okay, that time you have to take one sanitizer and you have to wear mask, okay? So this is all about the picture. We can see that one vendor, that is fruit vendor, is selling the fruits. He has so many fruits in his shop. There is a weighing machine, okay, to measure the fruits. Okay, how many kilograms, 1 kg, half kg, okay. And boys and girls are very excited to see all this colorful, juicy fruits, okay, and they like fruits. Understood?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
and we will say bhaiya also, na? We also say bhaiya, bhaijan, please give me this apple, this fruit. Understood? So this is the way you have to, whenever teacher shows the picture, you have to give answer like this. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, okay. You have helped me so, you have told me so many things, na? So there is one another way to buy this all fruits. Can you tell me, if you don't want to go out, how can you buy all these fruits?
Sanitizer.
Yes, sanitizer we will use when we go out. We will use sanitizer. These are the precautions you have to take. Okay, this is the sanitizer when you go out, and that you have to keep sanitizer always with you. Why it is needed to do the sanitization? Why we need?
Max.
To kill the germs. Okay, to kill the germs. Okay, so like that way, when we bought some fruits or vegetables, we have to also sanitize them, or we have to wash them. Okay, why it is necessary to
Max.
clean them, to clean that all vegetables and fruits. Okay, so see one video. In that video I'll show you how to clean the fruits. Okay, watch it carefully, huh?
Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Observe this video carefully. Okay, what I'm doing?
Washing the food.
Add some salt in the water. Add salt in the water and then stir it. Add all the fruits inside it. Put fruits in salt water. Put all the fruits in the salt water and wash it. Now close the tap. And keep fruits for 10 minutes. At least 10 minutes you have to keep the fruit inside this water. And then
Bye.
And then take out. Wash gently. So all the dirt will come out, dirt and all the one by one you have to wash all the fruits. Okay, now what you will do? See the dirt
Wash.
inside. Yes, see the dirt inside it. Okay. So every time when you go to the market, when you bring some fruits or vegetables, you have to wash like this. Okay. Then it is okay to eat. Okay. 5 fruits with clean clothes. Take the clean cloth and then wipe out all the fruits. One by one, you have to wipe it. And then all the fruits are ready to eat. Are you doing this at home?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Help your mother. Okay. Help your mother in cleaning all the vegetables and fruits. Tell your mama that I will help you. And then keep it in sunlight. After you finish this, you have to keep in sunlight. Okay. So it will dry. After finish this, you have to do one thing, that you have to disinfect the place. Okay. Watch it carefully. I will ask you some questions then. Now coronavirus is there now, so we have to take all these precautions. Okay, the safety measures we have to take before eating all the vegetables or fruits. This is the sanitizer and I'm cleaning the place. Okay?
Now we will see fruits name. Papaya, grapes, apple, orange, strawberry, watermelon, mango, banana, pineapple, custard apple, cherries,
Yes. So now give me promise that we will clean all these things.
Promise.
Yes. Very good. Okay. So you have to do, okay, you have to help your mama when your mama brings such type of things from the market. Okay. Now see here, we will play one game. Okay. And you have to help me. Are you ready to play the game?
Yes.
Yes. What you can see here?
Fruits and A to Z.
Fruits and A to Z. Very nice. Okay. Fruits are there. Okay, tell me the name of fruit.
Pomegranate. Custard apple. Grapes. Orange. Pineapple. Banana. Papaya.
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Cherry.
Cherry.
Small cherry. Okay. So now what you have to do? It is a word puzzle. The game name is word puzzle. Okay. So what you have to find out here?
जैसे टीचर फ्रूट्स के मतलब नेम ऐसे सर्कल करने का.
Yes, very good, Shruti. You have to find out fruit's name and you have to circle it. Okay. So it is visible for you. You can see.
Yes.
Yes. So now tell me, where is the fruit? Which fruit you can see?
कहाँ से ढूंढूं? PASPCH.
Watch it carefully and tell me.
Orange. Pineapple. O. R.
Where is orange? Where is orange?
Orange.
Where is orange?
Below the grape.
Yes. Yes.
GGGRAPES.
Okay, now this is the one type of strip. I will use it here. Okay, and I will put it here. Okay, so like that you have to.
Orange.
Yes.
SUNCE.
You have to find out all the names one by one. Tell me the another name where you can see first line, second line, like that. Tell me.
M. Apple. APPLE.
APPLE, apple. Very good.
Yes.
And see here, pineapple. Okay.
Teacher.
Yes, yes. Okay, fine.
Apple. APPLE. Apple.
APP.
Watermelon के आगे apple.
Yes, this is watermelon. Very good. Very good, Shruti.
Watermelon. Apple. आगे teacher. Apple.
Okay, now apple is there. Okay, now see this. What you can see here.
Apple.
Can you read this? This line.
APPLE.
Apple is there, but see this. CUSTARD. What is this?
CUSTARDA.
Custard apple. What is
Custard
that?
apple. Custard apple.
Yes, yes, yes. Custard apple. Okay. You like to play games now?
Yes.
Okay, so play at home this type of puzzle games. You will enjoy it. Okay.
Okay. GIVSEP.
Tell me one another fruit name. Tell me. Yes, so many fruit are there. You have to observe carefully.
Pineapple.
Yes, now see here. BANANA.
Banana.
Yes, BANANA. What is that?
Banana.
Yes, banana. And see other, you can see any other fruit there?
Yes.
Wait a minute, huh? Wait a minute.
Pineapple. Pineapple की P.
Pineapple is yes. Pineapple is here. Banana is here. Watermelon is here.
आगे.
Orange is here. And
Pineapple.
yes, one.
Peas. Peas. P.
Now see here, cherry. CHERRY, cherry.
Cherry.
Do you like to eat cherries?
Yes.
Yes. Now see, this is PEAS, peas. This is fruit.
No.
What is that?
Vegetable.
Vegetable. Very nice. Now tell me one fruit name is remaining. Tell me.
CUSTRUAP. Custard apple.
Custard apple done. Okay, you are playing for the first time, na? No issue. I will tell you. See here. GRAPES. What is that?
Grapes.
What is that?
Grapes.
Grapes. Okay, now read this. Pineapple. Pineapple. Repeat after me.
Pineapple.
Banana.
Banana.
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Grapes.
Grape. Custard apple.
Orange.
Custard apple.
Orange.
Orange.
Custard apple. Yes,
Custard
custard
apple.
apple. And cherry.
And cherry.
Yes. Okay, so this is the way you can play the games at home. Okay. So you have played for the first time or you know this game?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, very nice. So play with your friends this type of games. Okay. So you will enjoy to play this. Okay. And then tell me which game you have played. This is a word puzzle game. Okay. Now it is time to homework. Tell you the homework. So you have to draw some fruit in your notebook and you have to color it. In your Play, Do and Learn book on page number 48. Okay, you have to draw all the fruits. See here, fruits are given. Okay, tell me which fruit is this?
Mango.
Guava.
Guava. Banana. Grape. Watermelon. Cherry. Pomegranate. Apple.
Yes, you will draw here all these fruits. You will draw now. Draw and color it. Okay. Yes, and when you go out, don't go out, okay, without this mask. You have to wear this mask and go out. And you have to take precautions, okay? And okay, you will take care? Yes. Bye. Do the homework. And if you like our video, please like and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to tap the bell icon. Okay, students? Bye.